In this podcast, we're going to learn how to use the quadratic equation in real-life situations. So let's start off with this example. You run a canoe rental business at Hillsborough River State Park. You currently charge $12 per canoe and average 36 rentals a day. Canoe rentals are governed by the laws of supply and demand. For example, if it were free to use your canoes, you would have huge crowds of people, but you wouldn't make any money. If you charged, say, twice as much, $24, you would probably have fewer than 36 rentals per day, as fewer people would be willing to pay that much or just couldn't afford it. An industry journal says that for every 50-cent increase in rental price, the average business can expect to lose 2 rentals a day. Right now, you make 36 times 12, which equals $432. If you increase your rental price to $13, you can expect to lose 4 customers. So you would make 32 times 13, which equals $416. The equation that calculates your revenue is R equals 12 plus 0.5x times 36 minus 2x, where x is the number of 50-cent price increases. Use this information to maximize your income. What should you charge? So basically, all of this information right here has been put into a lovely equation right here. And in order to find x, we would need to plug this equation into Desmos. Here I use the equation from the previous slide, and I plugged it into Desmos, and we found that x equals -3. If you remember from the first slide, it told us that x is the number of 50-cent price increases, and as we found in the last slide, we found that x equals -3. And yes, it says that x is the number of 50-cent price increases, but since x is -3, now it's going to be a decrease. So we multiply -3 times 0.50 because it's 50 cents, which is less than $1, and we find that it's a decrease of $1.50. So it says you currently charge $12 per canoe. So that'd be 12 minus 150, which would be $10.50. So in order to maximize your income, you would need to charge $10.50 per canoe.